Hey guys, what's up? I'm making my shake today and I figured I'd come in, record a little video for you guys because I know that for me, when I first started drinking Shakeology, I made a ton of mistakes and actually threw the first couple of out because they just didn't come out right and I couldn't figure out what that was the matter. And so I played with it a little bit, and I know that sometimes it's hard to convey that to somebody who's trying it for this first time. You know, they read the packet or the package and it says, you know, mix with water, 8 ounces of liquid, whatever, and there's not much more to it. So I thought I'd share with you guys how I make it, all the different goodies that I add, and give you some ideas so that you can have a really good experience the first time. First, I want to show you guys my awesome new cabinet. Okay, so some of you guys know that I have been in the process of moving. So check this out. I have a drawer that is just dedicated only to my supplements. And I love it. I love it. So, you know, come in, open it up. I usually have my blenders even in there. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, so my favorite flavor, and really the only one I drink, is chocolate vegan. So I've got my little canister here, and I am going to, before I even start that, I do 12 ounces of liquid. Okay, so it's either 8 ounces of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and 4 ounces of water. Today it was 6 ounces of almond milk because that was all that was left, and 6 ounces of water, but I always do 12 ounces of liquid. I like it a little thinner. I don't like it super thick. And then I put a cup of ice in there, measure out my scoop, making a big mess. Always put the lid on. Don't let go of the can. That has happened to me several times. That's what happens with that. Okay, so I like to add my greens boost. Okay, it smells amazing. Okay, and this counts as a vegetable, guys. Yeah, I said it. Don't have to worry about that serving today. Okay, and we've got the new addition, collagen. So I was adding collagen peptides for a really long time for the added protein and then obvious benefits for joints, skin, and nails. And we just launched collagen. So I ditched my other stuff and switched, and I'll tell you, in a week's time, my fingernails look amazing. I have always had fake ones for the longest time, and they are growing. Okay, so the next thing that I like to do, and so if you don't have the greens boost though, you can totally put spinach in there. That is good too. Then the next thing I like to add are sunflower seeds. Okay, so this takes care of that little orange container that we never know what to do with. Okay. And it also gives it, instead of like a peanut butter type flavor, it's really similar to that. So it adds that nuttiness to it, which I just think it enhances it so much more. Make sure we got it all. I think that's it. So I really love the bullet. I used to have this humongous blender, and I just don't even need that anymore. Someone else turned me on to this awesome gadget. So all we do is stick it on the top. And there we go. It's super yummy. It counts as a red, so it's your protein. It counts as a green, which was the greens boost. And it counts as your orange, and then the almond milk is a teaspoon. So there I have a full meal. You could do any concoction that you like. If you like to add fruit to it, you can do that. I've had people that have the chocolate, they add frozen cherries to it. I will usually have like an apple on the side to round it out, and that will be my purple. But that's it, guys. Play with the consistency, play with the amount of ice and the amount of liquid that works for you. We have a lot of flavors, so if you're not finding something that you like, we can change the flavor. You can get alternating flavors. We have packets that you can choose from. So if you have any questions about your recipe or anything, please let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out. Concerns, obviously the benefits are huge, and I can't wait for you to tell me what your favorite recipe is.